Alright, so this is going to be my first ever plant unboxing. This is a succulent that I bought off eBay. Let's open it up. So this succulent is called Sedum White Diamond. And the reason why I bought it is because I like the way the rosettes look, and I really like the colour of them as well. They're kind of like a weird kind of pale greeny bluey colour. Maybe turquoise, I'm not really sure. And it's one of those carpeting plants as well. So lots of small rosettes. Oops, got my address on that, so I'll have to blur that out if it's visible in the video. So this is how it's packaged. So very nicely packaged. Paper is feeling a bit damp for some reason. Maybe he'd watered it just before he sent it to me. Okay, hopefully the plant isn't broken. I'm seeing some soil on the paper. Please be okay. Oh wow, the rosettes are way smaller than I thought they were. So it looks like a lot of the leaves are kind of dead. Well, there's plenty of live leaves, but there's a lot of kind of like really dark brown leaves. I think they are leaves which have died. So there you can see the rosettes properly now. Now with these sorts of plants, I kind of always expected them to get bigger, as in the amount of rosettes that they have. So the rosettes will stay pretty much the same size, but it will just get bigger, as in there'll just be more rosettes, if you know what I mean. But I think with some of them, or maybe all of them, I think maybe the rosettes do get bigger, as well as, you know, more of them growing, maybe, I'm not really sure. But yeah, it produces lots of little white flowers as well. So, I mean, it doesn't look brilliant at the moment because there's like a lot of dead foliage. Just kind of feeling the leaves to see if it does need to be watered, because usually when a succulent needs to be watered, the leaves will feel a bit soft. It's kind of hard to tell with these. I guess they kind of feel firm. Let's have a look at the root ball. Hopefully I don't break the delicate rosettes. Oh no, I'm not gonna bother. There's loads of stuff falling out. So yeah, again, I think with these sorts of plants, when they get bigger, they'll start cascading down the pot, which will look quite nice. So you could actually, if it cascades down a lot, like if it's like really long, you could just put it into a hanging basket, and it will look quite nice like that. But yeah, this cost I think it's about £3.50 and £3 shipping, so about £6.50 altogether. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.